Okay, so we're going to make an arc. So as you can see here, we have point 0, point 1, but to make an arc, I need to make a point 2 in the middle there. So that's our middle point that we're going to add to our arc. So get that sweep. And to do that, we're going to jog the robot up to get us to that point 2 that I added on the whiteboard. Make sure I touch down on the whiteboard. And I'm going to just jog up to touch it. There. Okay. Now I'm going to add that to point 2. I'm going to type in arc. That's just to remind me what that point's for. Teach. Yes. And then you can see that all the numbers are updated there. Now we have our beginning, our middle of the arc, and then the end of the arc. So now when we go to our program, we can delete the old program. We're going to keep go to 0, point 0 has like a start, but then we're going to type in arc, A-R-C. Now we're going to put in the midpoint, which is point 2, comma, point 1. So that's our middle and end point. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like without the arc. So if it ends at point 1, I'm going to have it go to point 2. Then for point 2, I'm going to have it go to point 0. And that way you'll be able to see kind of like where everything lines up. I'm going to delete this line here. And then we're going to run this program. Alright, first I'm going to erase this part here. There we go. Hold it up so I don't get any marker on the white table so you can see the trace. Gonna hit run. There it goes. Now you can see the sweeping action as it goes to point 2. And it leaves point 2 going to point 1, which is our end. Now I have it going straight across and straight down. So you can kind of see with that. So I'm going to move this around here. So you can see where that point, the middle point is. It's right in the middle of that arc. That's why we've got to think about when we make our midpoints and stuff where we want them to be.